So here's my L.O.L winter disco house because it's Christmas and it's out now. So we're unboxing all these surprises, and this staircase can turn into slide. We're not putting water in today because we don't want to get the L.O.L soaked. So the first bit I want to show you before we go to the whole house is the blind bag. So we're going to open this big one first. Okay, how is it going to look? Let's open and see what we got. We've got a nice, comfy, soft chair and it has like a rug and like snow on it. Really cool, right? So the second bit I got in this whole thing is, what is it? It's another furry chair. I think I can make this into a bed with my OG dolls. Look. Alright, here it goes. So right. The next blind bag I'm going to do is this purple.
Why don't you put your bed in and start decorating your house while you go?
So right, here where the couch is going to go. Another one.
And then you're going to make sure that you show them up close later around your house, aren't you?
Yeah. So right, I'm going to get the next one. So I have two bags. They're pink and purple. And they turn into bump bags. Look. And that's how you're going to do the baby bunk beds. So they're pink and soft blanket, then the green and pink. So that's it for that one. We will put these there. One here. And then another one there. Twins. Or I can do it in one bed. I'm going to do it in one. That. So right, next the blind bag. It's like a pink one. Okay, let's get this unboxed. Alright, so how do we get this open? These boxes are hard to open if you didn't know this. If you haven't got the winter disco and you might get next Christmas. Like a couch and a table. That must go up there.
Can we see them?
Yes, after I get them off. So right, these are the furry, like snowy chairs, and I'll show you where they go. They have to go up here, so we would get that here, flip it down, and look, it turns into.
So he's going to put them on now. He's very picky, clearly.
So now we have to do the next one with Pokey Dotty. So next, open. You that later, all of these light up. What is this one? It's a lamp! We have a little switch to turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Like this. Ta-da! Turn that off.
So with the L.O.L Winter Chalet, how many surprises do you get?
95 surprises.
And Bryson has a song?
95 surprises to unbox. So now we're going to open this really little one. We're going to open this really little one. So let's go and open! Luggage, luggage, luggage. They bring this to the chalet. Chalet. I could rip this box. Wow, I ripped this. Oh my god, I will mess. Just that. What is it? What's this? Oh, I know. It's this. So switch that over. It goes like that. Yeah.
And he'll show you that up close when he takes you for a cribs tour around his winter disco chalet house. Designer in the making.
Next surprise. Oh, I did that in the wrong place. Now let's open this pink box. A toilet. Okay, this comes in a plastic bag. We're trying to open this for my mum.
It's a cool toilet. It's even got toilet roll.
It's got pretend. That's for privacy, no one sees.
Oh, that's good.
Next blind bag.
What do you think's in that one?
I think it has, I don't know. What's that? Some covers like pillows for that. And the OMG bed. Let's take that off.
Should we undo them then?
Yeah.
You just put them there.
Yeah. Undo them. And I'm going to open this one when my mummy undoes them.
They're very soft. The bag's ready when you are.
Okay. The disco ball! So let's take this one out.
This is their skates, the disco ball,
Yeah.
a guitar.
A skating ring. Here's a skating ring, but we're not doing it today because we have to freeze and it will take too long to do this thing.
You've got to put make real ice, haven't you?
Yeah. And look, just to show you, look, it lights up. We will show you that a little bit later and we'll turn them off. So, look, this is how they skate. So you put that there and then they would just skate along like that. Yeah, that's what would they do. And a disco ball. So this, do you see this little sticky note? Can put the disco ball wherever you want with this sticky note. But put it anywhere you want. Then we put the disco ball and look, it has, can you hit it on? No, it doesn't go on. So next blind bag is this one. And these are the ice skates. We're not going to freeze it today. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this a little bit in the video because this is where the snow comes out of the chimney. We're gonna do that a little bit later, but we have to unbox first. What have I got here? Some chairs. Anti-disco chair. So these can go there. You can put that shovel there. Butter. Up there. What is this? I have no idea. Gonna find out that later. We got the tissue paper and a fridge. Oh, whoopsie. Look at this fridge. It's see-through fridge. We should put that there. Oh, right. Last one back. And then we're going to figure out what that is. Look, a little drawers. Look, pull, click.
You can put a shoe in there.
Oh, these little drawers. We'll put that in the bedroom. And in the lamp there. Right. And then, have you have no idea what this is? Have you have no idea what this is? I'm going to just put it. Mommy, it's for this, I think.
Turn it round. There you go. Maybe there.
No, but the snow can't get in.
Oh.
It must be.
Ah, where the snow comes out.
No, it's in.
Well, we'll work it out in a minute.
Oh, yeah. I think that is till that we open up the exclusive family. Ugh. A bench with a table. Is that all? A bench with a table. Bench with a table. Is that all we got? Oh, no. Nothing. Just this little big fat table. Little station. That could go there. Alright, so we're done with our surprises. Now let's go to the exclusive family. Let's get these exclusive family open. These are the exclusives. That says unbox me. Ain't my entrance out, one of them said.
It says, let me out of here. What do you think they'd sound like?
Let me out of here.
Let me out of here.
Wow, that was good. Wow, look at all these surprises. There's still more.
They pack them in there.
Look, and here's a photo. And you can put that anywhere in your winter disco home. But now let's get these bad babies open. I got someone's hat. Next blind bag is a minty green. Next blind bag is a minty green. I got a dress. So here's the dress we got and the hat we got. First blind bag. Next one is this one. What is this? Sunglasses. So, glasses. Something's in here. Headphones. Ooh, that must go with that. This laundry bag. Look at this husky. That's the one. Okay. Next one. These little shoes. 1, 2, 3. That must be one more for the doggy. 4. It's got 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then 5.
Why don't you show them?
Ah,
Oh, his shoes are falling off.
because when you put them on doggies, and stuff, they always fall off. So we'll keep that for now. Let's move into, I don't know who he is. Let's open. Who's this? He's the boy! Aww! He's done the split. He's doing the split. I think this is him, this is him, this is him.
Can't go out nudie Rudy, can he?
No. His cool glasses. I'm trying to put these glasses on. Just leave them off for now. Let's get into our blinders instead. What was that? That's his t-shirt. Can you bend the legs down? I think I'm doing it. I got these pants and these little tops. Good for winter.
Are some of the outfits harder to get on than others?
Yeah. The boys are really hard. Can you try and put this costume on? Next one.
So they have these little things where you can just slide it over. I'm doing this through the camera. It's easier said than done. It is really easy once you know how. Let's get him in his claws. Oh.
Her head popped off. Oh no.
Her head popped off. Oh no, we'll pop it back on.
I can't. I'll get a dress with just her body.
Yeah, that might be a bit easier, to be fair. I'll get his outfit on. It's all screw whiff, that's why. Ready, steady.
Mummy, can you...
He looks quite cool, doesn't he?
Can you try and get her leg down and put her suit on?
We'll swap.
Swap. I'm going to put the shoes on already. Swap, swap.
Right.
And I'm going to give you all the her costume.
So we're currently headless with this one.
Here is her head.
Here is her head. Ready? And put back on. Very ladylike pose.
These must be the 3 bottles.
Get her shoe on. And her other shoe. He is still unboxing. Where's her outfit? Down there?
No, I'll give you it. It's down there. All of it. A bottle.
And then she's got this
Hot
outfit.
chocolate, dip it out. A milky.
Take these off.
And now the last one.
Her skirt does not want to go on.
Well, that's blue.
So that's her skirt.
That's snowman, Mummy! Snowman!
A snowman cup.
Yeah,
Oh
I've got
my
these three
God.
cups here.
Yeah, 1 minute.
These three cups. Where's his shoes?
Oh no, we lost some shoes.
Yeah. We accidentally lost some things.
Right, that's her outfit on. Bit of a pain. But once they start wearing them, they kind of like get into them. So is that all the blind bags opened?
Yes. You want to show?
Wow,
show
so what we're going to
something
do is we're going to show them round the house.
cool and
You're going to do your
them.
cribs, aren't you, of the house?
So
The house
like-
tour.